Hello, Soul Tribe. Welcome to Soul Tribe PH. It's me, Anna, your certified international life coach and tarot and oracle card reader. So, if you want to avail my services, tarot reading, or coaching, kindly go to my website www.anasantiago.coach. And please do follow me on all my social media platforms Instagram, Facebook page, and TikTok, and also here in YouTube. Hello, Soul Tribe. Welcome back to my channel, Soul Tribe PH. It's me, Anna, your love and relationship mentor, intuitive life coach, a tarot and oracle card reader, and now a podcast host. So for this particular video, we will be having your monthly zodiac sign reading for the month of June. This is for my dear Taurus, Sun, Moon, Rising, Ascendant, Venus. For those who haven't generated their natal birth chart, I suggest to generate yours. So kindly go to the description section. May link there that can help you generate your natal birth chart. It just need your date of birth, time of birth, and also the exact location where you were born. And if you happen to have Taurus as your rising slash ascendant sign, then this is your reading. Kasi based on an article na nabasa ko, it's best for us to look into our rising slash ascendant sign for accurate readings. So without further ado, my dear Taurus, let's proceed on getting to know your angel number. Might be these are the angel numbers that you had been seeing recently as a confirmation of this particular reading. Angel, Spirit, Universe, Ancestors, angel number for my dear Taurus, please. Okay, so we have 9, 1, 5, and 5 and 8. So zoom in, zoom in, zoom in. So kindly go to Google search engine, search angel number 9158. Might be there is a certain message that needs your attention. Kailangan mong malaman, or this is the guided message for you upon watching this certain reading. You might be seeing a lot of 99, 999, 11, 11, 15, 15, 15, 15, and 88 or 888 as a confirmation of this particular reading. So before we proceed doon sa three card that I have provided in the teaser, if you just came from the teaser, we will be getting to know the overall theme, the focus of your life for the month of June. What will be the overall theme of your life for this particular month? Angel, Spirit, Universe, Ancestors, what will be the overall theme? What will be the focus of my dear Taurus for this particular month? Angel, Spirit, Universe, Ancestors, what will be the theme? What will be the focus of my dear Taurus, regardless if this is for their career, their finances, or their love life? So we have here Libra. When we say Libra, this is balancing of the scales kasi Libra represent the scales. So we have here, this energy is diplomatic and gracious. It seeks harmony and balance in relationship. So this month is all about bringing balance in your life. Wherein this is your sister zodiac sign kasi Taurus and Libra are both ruled by Venus. So might be you will be focusing on success, your stability, and your security kasi Venus rules, the planet Venus talks about finer things in life, luxurious, success, and abundance. So might be you are now bringing balance to yourself, bringing the kind of love, care, value, respect towards yourself. Kasi how you are treating yourself, loving yourself, valuing yourself, and respecting yourself, my dear Taurus, is how you're going to receive it from others, not the other way around. So might be you had been imbalanced recently, my dear Taurus. Maaring you are too focused on trying to fix people's situation and opportunity around you, losing yourself along the process in doing so. So this month is all about bringing balance to your scale. Might be you will be focusing on your stability and your security na you had been giving away to everyone else other than you. And also, giving away your time, love, and energy to other people na hindi mo ito binibigay sa sarili mo, you will be putting time to yourself this particular month. You will be focusing on balancing the skills. Kasi kung ano man klase yung relationship that you have with yourself, the kind of relationship that you have with yourself is the kind of relationship that you will be receiving from other people around you, not the other way around. Kasi how you are treating them, valuing them, respecting them, and putting them first, you are giving them an example on how they will be doing it to others but not to you. So this is your energies or the focus for you this month, my dear Taurus, wherein we have Libra. So based on the teaser, there would be collaboration, there would be partnership, new opportunities on the horizon for you. But Then again, before you have that collaborative, harmonious partnership with other people, my dear Taurus, it's time for you to establish it with yourself. As I've said, how you are treating yourself, loving yourself, valuing yourself, and respecting yourself is how you're going to receive it from others, not the other way around. So the key to healthy relationship, it regardless if this is for your career, your work life, your relationship, your finances, the key to having that kind of relationship is having that relationship towards yourself. So this is the time for you to contemplate how have you been treating yourself, my dear Taurus. So ano ba yung klase ng treatment that you had been giving to yourself? What kind of love, care, value, respect have you been focusing on yourself? So the obstacle that you are needing to overcome, my dear Taurus, is we have here the Knight of Wands, taking the inspired action. And other than this, might be you are hot and cold when it comes to your situations in life, my dear Taurus. Paano hot and cold? One put in, one put out. You are not fully committed in certain things in your life kasi might be you are afraid of rejection, you're afraid of not being able to provide, being good enough, not being capable enough. So that is the reason why you are not fully all in. You are hot and cold. So this is the time for you to be fully committed to yourself other than with other people or waiting for that commitment from other people around you. Kasi as I've said, if you are failing to treat yourself with kindness, love, and compassion, that is how you're going to receive it from other people around you. Kasi how you are treating yourself, loving yourself, valuing yourself, and respecting yourself is how you're going to receive it from others, not the other way around. So what is needed for you to be done this month? This is the time for you to put in the work. So inner work. So hindi lang yung working to establish a relationship with other people, with your career, with your finances. Hindi lang yun yung work na you needed to do, my dear Taurus. It's time for you to inner work. Work within yourself. It's time for you to address what are the certain traumas, issues, or wounds that you needed to heal. And how is it affecting how you handle your relationship and also how you have been treating yourself. So it's time for you to do the inner work. It's time for you to reassess, contemplate on what are the certain things that needs your attention with the work here. So it's time for you to put progress rather than perfection. Kasi for some of us, you might be wanting to be perfect, wanting to be fit into the society that you are losing yourself along the process of doing so. So this is the time for you to fully commit. Kasi if you wanted change, the change that you want should start within you, my dear Taurus. So let's see what will be the energies of your career, business life, work life, other than collaboration, other than with new partnership. But before you meet these certain people, new opportunity, you had to leave the old to welcome the new. Kasi if you wanted change, the change that you want should start within you. So let's see what is the energies coming your way when it comes to your financial situation. But before that, alamin natin what is your current energy. Current energy for the career of my dear Taurus. What is your current energy? What is your current energy, my dear Taurus? So current energy, you are stuck in a certain loop or cycle. Might be this is the time for you to contemplate what have been your pattern. Ano ba yung mga patterns that you had been repeating all over again? Kasi again, you're the one who's going to create your reality. So it's time for you to visualize, imagine what kind of life do you wanted to manifest into your reality? What kind of career, what kind of opportunity do you wanted to manifest into your reality? And once you had been clear on that, my dear Taurus, it's time for you to set the intentions and the goals on how you will be achieving this certain outcome. It's time for you to have a change of perspective. So again, what you are putting into your mind, what have you been focusing, what have you been imagining, what have you been kumbaga, dwelling on, that becomes your reality. So it's time for you to reassess what are the certain things that you had been focusing on, my dear Taurus, when it comes to your career. Kasi you had been stuck. You are stuck in a certain loop or cycle. This is the time for you to reassess what are the patterns that you had been encountering. So what is the energies coming your way when it comes to your financial situation? Career, sorry. What is the energy coming your way when it comes to your career? There would be stability and security. But for you to achieve this certain stability and security, ikaw dapat ang unang magtiwala sa sarili mo. So you had to be your number one fan, best friend, and cheerleader. Ikaw dapat yung unang sumuporta sa gusto mong mangyari sa buhay mo. You had to be confident of yourself, your talent, and your skill. You had to be the first one to believe in them. Kasi if you are not believing in your capabilities, your talent, and your skills, so kahit maniwala yung mga tao sa paligid mo, you will not be able to believe on that kasi your reality is what you are thinking. You think that you're not worthy, that you are not good enough. So it's time for you to focus on your stability and your security. Be confident of yourself. Trust your intuition, trust your capacity, your competence as a certain individual, my dear Taurus. So when it comes to your financial situation, let's have a current check-in, energy check-in of your financial situation. What is your current energy for your financial situation? Nagkaroon ng tower moment, my dear Taurus. Maaring you had encountered a trial, obstacles, challenges. With the hangman, nagkaroon ng stagnancy, nagkaroon ng slowdown when it comes to your with your sales. If you're a businessman, a businesswoman, nagkaroon ng stagnancy. So, nagkaroon ng disruption to your certain reality. So, remember, everything happens for a reason. Nothing is a coincidence. It's either a blessing or a lesson for you to learn. So whatever took place when it comes to your financial situation, kailangan itong mangyari for you to reassess your financial standing. So kaya nangyari yon for you to be mindful of your spending. Might be you had been spending too much at nakakalimutan mo ng set aside for yourself. So you had been prioritizing of giving away your energy kasi money is also energy nang walang dahilan. You are giving away all of your time, love, and energy to people, situation, opportunity, and things nang walang purpose. So, kaya nangyari itong power moment na ito for you to reassess the situation. So, ganun talaga. If you are manifesting, as I've watched recently, minsan, for us to know our manifestation is near, merong mga bagay that we needed to let go. At maaring you had encountered this certain power moment kasi para i-welcome mo kung ano man yung minamanifest mo into your reality, whatever you are manifesting, you need to leave room for new energies to come in. And this is a time for you to contemplate what are the certain habits, as I've said, yung patterns that you had been repeating recently that had been affecting how you handle your career and how you handle your financial situation. What is coming your way, my dear Taurus, when it comes to your financial situation? What is coming your way? Angel, Spirit, Universe. So, oh, okay. So there would be a solid new beginning. There would be a long-term opportunity on the horizon for you for your finances. Maaring you will be thinking of a new way of earning a money, earning a living, a new source of income, wherein wag ka maging fixated na may new beginning. This new beginning will be taking place if you will be putting in the action. Kasi underneath the Knight of Wands, kailangan mo maging fully committed. Kung gusto mo magbago yung financial situation mo, the change that you want should start within you. For you to welcome this new beginning, you need to leave the old. You need to leave the old mindset, habits, patterns that you have been repeating when it comes to your finances, my dear Taurus. So what is your current energy of your relationship? It regardless if this is for your connection, self-love, healing journey. What is your current energy? So judgment, lessons have to be learned. So as I've said, tower moment, connected siya. So may nangyari in your life, particularly with the relationship that you have, it regardless kung anumang klaseng relationship itong pinag-uusapan natin. It can be your significant partner, your twin flame, soulmate, boyfriend, girlfriend, husband, or wife, or regarding in your reality. So there are lessons for you to learn. So nagkaroon ng judgment call. So there are certain things that you needed to address, and also you had to make a choice. You had to make a choice na piliin mo yung sarili mo to be the best version of yourself. It's you versus you kasi sometimes we're the one self-sabotaging ourselves kasi we think that we are not worthy, that we are not good enough, we are not capable enough of the certain opportunity on the horizon for us. So what is coming your way when it comes to your relationship, my dear Taurus? What is coming your way? Seven of Swords. So maaring you feel deceived. You feel betrayed by the certain situation kasi nga you had been putting in the work, you had been giving all of your time, love, and effort to people, situation, and relationship na hindi mo nakukuha yung equal the reciprocation of what you had been given to other people. Again, how you are loving them, how you are prioritizing other people, your friends, your family, your work, your partner, you are giving them an example on how they will be doing it to others but not to you. So for you to avoid this certain energy of deceptions and lies, it's time for you to kumbaga parang set the standard towards yourself. Give yourself the kindness, love, and compassion that you deserve. Kasi how you are setting the standard, how are you loving yourself, valuing yourself, and respecting yourself is how you're going to receive it from others, not the other way around. So let's clarify the Seven of Swords so that we know what is coming your way. Why is this the Seven of Swords? Kasi nga, it's time for you to create boundaries, or it might be you are expecting too much. So don't get too attached to the possible future and the outcome of the relationship, or might be you had built a world with your person. For some of you, maaring ginawa mo ng mundo yung person mo. You had dreamt of a future with this person, and now you end up getting deceived, getting betrayed kasi what you are imagining or what you had fixated in your mind is not going to manifest or not manifesting into your reality. So, kaya nangyari to for you to put yourself first. Invest in yourself. So, it's time for you to put yourself first, learn a new skill, learn a new talent, learn to love yourself the way that you wanted to be loved, the way that you want to be cared for, the way that you wanted to be, kumbaga parang the way that you wanted to be treated. Kasi how you are treating yourself, how you are loving yourself, valuing yourself, and respecting yourself is how you're going to receive it from others, not the other way around. So I'm going to move it down. So trial and error ako dito sa ano natin. I'm going to move it down so that it can be seen. Oops. Okay, so let's have your oracle guidance. So what is the oracle guidance for you, my dear Taurus? What will be the overall oracle guidance for you? Okay, so it's time for you to the sea with the to the sea here. It's time for you to go in with the flow. So it's time for you to be in this certain flow state. The more that you're wanting to know the when and the how, the more that you'll end up unfulfilled and unsatisfied. So it's time for you to focus on the why. So, why everything is happening, what are the patterns that you had been repeating over and over again. So, this is the time for you to contemplate on certain things. So, be at the moment, focus on the now, focus on what you needed to do. So, flexible, there are lessons for you to learn. So, same thing with the judgment card. So, again, everything happens for a reason. Nothing is a coincidence. It's either a blessing or a lesson for you to learn. So, whatever took place in your life, my dear Taurus, you needed to learn a lesson from it before you start new things in your life, new career, new source of income, new relationship. You need to leave the old to welcome the new. So, let's get you your angel messages, my dear Taurus. What is your angel messages? So, your angel messages, we have your number 26. You have a desire to succeed and will feel most accomplished when you work benefits others. Your intuitive awareness of what people allows you to come up with innovative solution to meet their needs. I am tactful. So it's time for you to be tactful. It's time for you to be clear on what you wanted to manifest into your reality. As I've said, we are the creator of our reality. It's time for you to visualize, imagine, be clear on what are your intentions and your goals on how you will be achieving the outcome. So let's get you your affirmation, my dear Taurus. So for your affirmation, we have your I am releasing the need to be perfect and focusing on being authentic. Kasi we have here the Eight of Pentacles. As I've said, perfection. You are wanting to perfect things. You wanted things to be in favor of you. Kasi the more that you are doing so, the more that you'll end up unfulfilled and unsatisfied. So it's time for you to focus on progress rather than perfection. Kasi the more that you're wanting to know the when and the how, the more that you'll end up unfulfilled and unsatisfied. It's time for you to focus on the why. Why is everything happening? What is the purpose for those certain things that you had encountered? So this is what I got for you, my dear Taurus. This, if this happened to resonate with your situation, do let me know in the comment section. Kindly like, comment, and share this video. And don't forget to click the subscribe button and the bell button for you to get notified of my latest updates here in my channel. So if you wanted to avail my services, tarot reading, coaching program, and mentorship program, wherein I can be helping you in your certain journey, kindly go to my Instagram or Facebook page, Soul Tribe PH, Coach Ana Santiago. Message me the word tarot for tarot reading, coach for coaching program or mentorship program. Or you may proceed sa website ko, www.anasantiago.coach/tarot reading for tarot reading. So this is what I got for you. Sending you much love and light. Bye-bye.